process towards the appointment of the cabinet, which will be led by Comrade Ramaphosa, we expecting an improvement.
Mapalane weluphiko lwabomake ku ANC nokuthula Ncaba wende lubido kumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi afake bomake ngebunyende etikhundleni tembuso kulombuso welibumbano wavelonke.
Ukwina amaward awu7 kwangu12 akuyona into encane, sithokoza kakhulu siwinile.
IFP iphumelele kulolukhetho lwekuvalwa kwetikhala lebekade lunembango lomkhulu kumawadi lamathathu kulawo lasithupha kumasipala uMzumbe elugwini lolusenyakatho yeKwaZulu Natal. Lishonile Mbukeli kepha ke belingeke lashona ngaphandle kwetinzabatalo nadi idalomuhla tingelwimi lesiswati la ku SABC 1. Kanti ke khumbula ukuthi letinzaba tetholakala futhi ku X, ku Facebook, ku SABC Plus kanye na ku YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tinzaba. Mapalane weluphiko lwabomake ku ANC nokuthula Ncaba wende lubido kumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi afake bantfu labasikati ngebunyende etikhundleni tembuso kulombuso welibumbano wavelonke. Ncaba uthi ufuna kubona bomake labanyenti natu kwemikhandlu yetifundza kanti tiphimiso takhe tisekelwe nangumengameli weliphiko lwalabasha lwalenhlangano Colin Malachi.
Bengameli lushalo ANC Colin Malachi uthi bayawusekela lombuso welibumbano wavelonke kepha kufanele kufakwe etikhundleni abantu abanenhloso lecacile. Lo mholo uphinza wathi uhulumende kufanele buke kwehlisa ukuthunyelwa ngaphandle kwempahla lengakakhicitwa kwendela kuvulela abantu abasha bakuleli amathuba emisebenzi.
On the economy, advance industrialization for future industries while protecting existing ones. Invest in large-scale infrastructure, fix the energy and transport and logistics sector. Support small businesses and black industrialists. Accelerate land reform. On jobs, we urgently call for the creation of 2.5 million work opportunities through the Presidential Employment Stimulus Program to promote employment equity for black people, women, and persons with disabilities.
Mapalane jikelele uliphiko lwabomake ku ANC nokuthula Ncaba wende lubito lokuthi kwengethwe isibalo sabomake ku cabinet. Loluphiko sola libone ngaso linye namengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ngekumeleka ngalokulinganako kwalabathuna labasikati etikhundleni temholi kuhulumende njengoba lolubito lwabo kubonakala kunganakwa. Ncaba uthi batawuchubeka kulela ukuthi abantu labasikati nabo bathathelwe enhloko.
We expecting an improvement, and we want to believe that the ANC has realized the mistake that has been committed, which maybe it was not deliberate, understand the pressure that they have to work under, but it can be also used that as an excuse not to improve. So we're expecting to see more women, not only in the ANC, but also influencing that approach of the GNU.
Mengameli kulinzeleke ukuthi amemetele icabinet yembuso welibumbano wavelonke kule mpelasonto emva kokuxoxisana kabanti nawo onke amaqembu epolitiki.
Sikubutile Mbukeli ukuthi njengoba sewufungisiwe mengameli wakuleli ingabe ulinzele ukuthi ayihlele njani icabinet yakhe. Phendule ngalendlela.
Bokungaba ngcono mongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ungathi angahlanganisa bomake nabobabe babe yinto yinye kule government ekhona ngoba phela manje sesibonile ukuthi amaphutha aqala kuphi aphelela kuphi.
Ngikulindele kumangameli mayeseqoka icabinet lakhe lisho ukuthi kwande isibalo songqongqoshe abasebancane futhi aqoka abantu abaneziqu ezisondelene kuleyo mnyanga asokuba ebafaka kiwo engaqoka abantu ngokuthi basondele eqenjini lakhe.
Bengifisa mina uhulumeni masekhetha le cabinet yakhe angasebenzisa ukuchema futhi akhetha abantu abazosebenzela umphakathi.
Engifisa ukubona nje mina umengameli mayesehlela icabinet yakhe ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kuzomela ukuthi acoshe kuwo wonke amaqembu sibe nongqongqoshe abaqhamuka emaqenjini amaningi ahlukene. Lokho kungasiza kakhulu mhlawumbe ngalwenza nobumbano emaqenjini njengokuhlukahlukana kwawo.
Ngiyazi icabinet kamongameli izobe iqubile amalunga asuka emaqembini ahlukahlukene njengoba nje sine GNU. Kodwa kumongameli icela ukuthi kuloko kebheke intsha kakhulu abantu abasebancane abasefresh abanama idea amasha.
Njengoba umongameli esefungisiwe ngokusemthethweni esengulindele mina sengilinde ukubona icabinet lakhe ukuthi liphethe baphi ongqongqoshe kodwa bengafisi ukuthi ubongqongqoshe abangenayo inkohlakalo ongqongqoshe abazosebenzela abantu nothi izisu zabo.
lona umbono wembukeli iSABC ethe yetfeswa ukuthi iphendvulela ngawo. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ube nemhlangano nazwakwabo wele Nigeria Bola Ahmed Tinubu lomuhla ekseni. INigeria ngiyo lesabambe isihlalo senhlangano yebunye bemave asentshonalanga neAfrika iECOWAS.
Your Excellency, Mr. President.
And congratulations also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you.
It's an honor.
Ramaphosa ube nemhlangano wokuqala namengameli olive laseNigeria Bola Tinubu kulandzela kufungiswa wakhe lokusemthethweni njengamengameli wakuleli lihlandla lesibili. Mengameli wethemba ukuthi leli veli yokuchubeka nekubeka embili eAfrika kumigomo yayo yangaphandle.
We will join hands with our brothers and sisters across our beloved region here in SADC, our beloved continent of Africa, to find peace, to achieve stability, to advance development through the African Continental Free Trade Area, through the construction of roads, rail lines, factories and power stations. Africa will embark on a new age of production and commerce.
Noma kunjalo labanye abahlati betepolitiki bazilelive kumele libuke inkinga ekhungethela umhlaba lebevele libuka ngaphambi kwelukhetho.
If the ANC wants to maintain the position it has to ensure that the vast majority of the members of the GNU can support its position so that through sufficient consensus with about 60-65% of the GNU must support its position or not. Otherwise, it will have to take some middle ground. So, if, for example, instead of going all the way to litigate against Israel on Gaza and all that, can then end up with a kind of more compromised position, which is to say we are unhappy with the killings in Gaza.
Emave emhlaba ke ayobe abuke ngelizwe libukhali kubona ukuthi ngubani layo bayinduna ebudlalo bamave angaphandle ku cabinet lensha ya Ramaphosa.
Bahlati betepolitiki bathi sifundza iKwaZulu Natal kufute setayele ukuthi sitawubuswa ngekubambisana kuhulumende wesifundza nabasemakhaya. Lokhu kutangemva kwekuthi masipala weUmzumbe lebe ubuswa iANC uthi tfole sewubuswa ngekubambisana tinhlangano tepolitiki ngemva kwelikhetfo lwekuvala tikhala. iANC neIFP tinetihlalo letil17 kulo masipala. Lolkhetfo lubanjwe kulandzela ukuthi kucoshwe likhansela kuphindze kwesule emakhansela lasihlanu eANC onge ajoyine iMK. iMK iphumelele esinye sihlalo kulolkhetfo.
iIFP inqobe ukhetho lokuchibiyela obelinoncintisana okukhulu kumaward amathathu kwayisithupha kumasipala waseMzumbe ogwini olusesifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal. Kwathi kwabanye omasipala isifundazweni iDA inqobe iward ebeliphethwe yiANC eNewcastle, kwathi eMzimkhulu iANC yabuyela kulona iward ebeliyiphethe ngaphambilini. iIFP ithathe iward ebeliphethwe iABC kumasipala umvoti yaphinde yathatha iward kwiANC eMthonjaneni yanikeza leliqembu iningi kulomasipala.
Ukwina amaward awu7 kwangu12 akuyona into encane, sithokoza kakhulu siwinile ikakhulukazi indaweni yalapha nje eMzumbe okuyindawo ekade ibhekwe kakhulu ngamehla abomvu ngoba bikade iphethwe iANC yaxosha amakhanselayo. Uma sikwazi ukuwina amaward ebekade ephethwe iANC kithina kuyinto enhle kakhulu leyo.
Ngaphambi kwalolkhetho umasipala waseMzumbe ubuphethwe yiANC inezihlalo ezingu21 emkhandlwini wezihlalo ezingu39, kwathi iIFP yona yayinezihlalo ezingu14. Impumela yalolkhetho ikhombise ukuthi lo masipala awusenalo iqembu elinobuningi njengoba iANC neIFP bobabili sebenezihlalo ezingu17. Abahlaziyi bathi amaqembu ezepolitiki esifundazweni kumele afunde ukusebenzisana.
Yeah, so into esiqalile sayibona kuma last local government elections ukuthi indawo ezinjengogoli, oPitoli, oPE sibabone beba nama coalition. Into ebesingayazi before that. Now, so we are getting used to lento lena njengoba seyenzeka even naku national naku ma provinces out 3 asezoba nama coalition. So la komasipala I think into ezofanele sijwayeze ukuthi sizobona omasipala abaphethwe inhlangano ezimbili noma ezintathu. Leyo kubona inhlangano eyodwa kuyona edominateayo I think isikhathi sayo sesiphelile.
I-IEC ithi isibalo sabavotile esifundazweni singu-47% kanti isibalo esincane sabavotile sibalwe eNewcastle ngamaphesenti angu-18 kanti umvoti ube namaphesenti angu-26. Ingononhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Kusenjalo iDA iphumelele wonke ema-wards elikhethweni lokuvala Tikalam eBeaufort West eCentral Karoo eNtshonalanga Kapa nama-ward phambilini bekabuswa ngokuhlanganyela yi-PA, ANC neDemocratic Force Council.
When you select councillors in communities, remember that the South African voters are not emotional voters anymore. They are rational voters. So if they do not agree with you, and there's a by-election, they most probably will change their vote and they would go with change, as we see in the case of Beaufort West.
iDA ithi ihlele kulungisa simo sekuphakela kwetinsita kulendzawo nekungaphathwa kahle kwetimali.
This marks the first time that the Beaufort West municipality will be governed outright by the DA. This victory ushers in a turning point for the municipality, which has for years been fraught with corruption, mismanagement and poor service delivery. The DA has a proven track record of good, clean governance, and we are committed to fix what has been broken and rescue Beaufort West.
iDA iphindze yakhona kuphumelela ema-wards ayalamathathu besolo ibusa kuwo eKapa.
I-Chamber of Commerce eNorthwest iyexwayise ukuthi uma ngabe uhulumende wesifundza losanza kuthatha tinzambo wehluleka kuqinisekisa indzawo lephephile yokusebenza kwemabhizinisi, lokho kungahle kholele ukuthi emabhizinisi lamancane ahluleke kudlondlobala nemabhizinisi lamakhulu agcine sekaya kuletinye tifundza. Mvunankulu Mohosi kulinzeleke amemetele umkhandlu wakhe eMadvude.
Kulandzela kufungiswa kwaMvunankulu Mkhosi, umkhakha lotimele sevela unetinhlelo lakholelwa ukuthi titawuletha tinguquko. Uphindze wavakalisa kukhatsateka ukuthi uhulumende wesifundza waphambilini wehlulekile kwetfula tinsita ngendlela lefanele lokube nemthelela kulomkhakha lotimele.
We are coming from the era of the sixth administration, where we lost some of the business within the province due to lack of basic service delivery, and we want that to come to an end.
Uthi ukhathatekile ngokulwa kwabosopolitiki kulesifundza lokubambelela intuthuko.
The infighting within the political leadership is having a serious impact, because one of the issues that we are having is that if there is no direction, the employees or the personnel within both provincial government and within municipalities, they don't actually do their work.
Kusenjalo tinyonyana tetisebenzi tifuna kuvulwa ematfuba emisebenzi.
Our call as the Federation is to see government making an initiatives to create decent jobs, to industrialize the economy of South Africa, and for beneficiation, including actually adoption by government in terms of basic income grant.
Ngekusho kwalona bekangumphathiswa wetimali kulesifundza Mdlalipule Khosho, umnotfo wakulesifundza kulinzeleke wekhule nga-1.5% kulomnyaka timali kutsi made kube ngumnyaka timali wa 2026.
Kuletinye nasibuya etitolo, umholi we-EFF Julius Malema uthi licala labukene nalo nanogadza wakhe Adrian Snyman licucudelwe ipolitiki. Asiphinze sikwemukele esigabeni sethu sesibili setindzaba telwimi lwesiswati nawusanza ngena ukhethe kahle hlala nathi. Umholi we-EFF Julius Malema uthi licala labukene nalo nanogadza wakhe Adrian Snyman licucudelwe ipolitiki. Lababili bavele enkantolo yesigodzi e-East London ngelicala lekutfolakala nesibhamu lesingekho emthethweni, tinhlavu nekuphula umthetho wekusebenzisa sibhamu. Lesehlakalo sendeka ngesikhathi i-EFF ibungata iminyaka lesihlanu sukela yasungulwa enkundleni isusadu kashe emdansane nga-2018.
Malema uchubekile nekuthi yena umsulwa uthi lesibhamu lekusola ukuthi wasikhipha beselithoyi ngesikhathi atikhulumela uthi bekumele ngabe waboshwa enkundleni temidlalo isisadukasha nomaphoyisa bekagcwele uma kuthi bekenda licala. Malema usola umbuso ngekufuna kufaka incinzetelo ye-AfriForum ngekuthi umbekela icala lapha athe khona konke nje lokhu akukho kumanga.
AfriForum is threatened by anyone who's advocating
for a seat on the table for African people. Once you advocate the struggle for Africans to be equal to the white man, you become the enemy of AfriForum.
Noma kunjalo umbuso uthi unebufakazi bekushushisa Malema.
There was enough evidence to prosecute based on the evidence that was brought forward after a thorough police investigation. The proceedings that are going on now and the prosecution is based purely on the evidence that was collected, which was brought to court, and the court believed that there is a case for Mr. Malema to answer.
Malema uphinze wavalisa ukuthi Vumala ngendlela manje lophethe lelicala atiphatha ngakhona kuleli cala.
I'm not happy with the magistrate, but there's nothing I can do. It's the court. You need to ask a question yourself as journalist. When ballistic expert of the police was brought before the same magistrate, the magistrate never asked the ballistic expert of the police whether he's got a signature of the peer review. When our ballistic expert was brought to the case, he was told he does not have a peer review signature.
Leli cala liyobuya enkantolo mhla tilunye enyangeni yeLweti.
Batali bemntwana lobikwe njengaloshonile esibhedlela iPelonomi eBloemfontein basabisa litiko letempilo ngekulithathela inyathelo. Labatali batshelwe ukuthi umntwana usaphila ngemuva kwemalanga lamathathu, batshelwe ukuthi undlulile emhlabeni sebalungiselela umngcwabo.
Batali baphatheke kabi kulandzela liphutsa lelindiwe esibhedlela. Labatali basatama kwakho umcondvo lophilile ngalokwendeke kule nyanga leyengcile ngemva kwekutshelwa ukuthi umntwana wabo ushonile.
This incident has affected us badly. Even now we are still not fine, especially how the health department treated us. Firstly, they never came to us and provided an explanation of what happened. We will definitely not let this matter easily slide.
Oh, I didn't receive any counseling. I didn't. That was not counseling. It was being told that your baby passed away.
Labatali nyalo bacakekile batibuta ukuthi ngabe wabo yini lo mfana bahlela kwenda luhlolo lwelifuto ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ingabe nguye wabo nobe cha.
No, for legal action. We'll be taking legal action because this thing that they did to us is huge. It damaged us emotionally. At the moment, we are far from being healed, and we also feel that we should take a DNA test with this infant.
You cannot come and say the child passed away after 3 days and a half day. Then you tell me the child is alive. I cannot. That one is very traumatizing.
Litiko letempilo kulesifundza liyalivuma leliphutsa.
The hospital did all that it can to rectify the mistake by making sure that the correct mother receives the right baby who is alive. So we apologize profusely as the hospital about this mistake.
Lelitiko liphindze langeta ukuthi ngemuva kwalesehlakalo liye lahlala nalabatali phasi labachazela kwendela ukuthi nabo batfole kuthula emoyeni. Lelitiko liye lathi litawusita ngekweluleka ngekwencondvo nekwenta lihlolo lwelifuto.
Nasivakashela etimakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Lirandi libita 18 rand 4 cents nalicathaniswa nelidola laseMaliga. Pondo waseBrithani ubita 22 rand 88 cents. Li-euro mbukeli singakahambi asesithi shavu embombela sive ukuthi Given Mahlalela usiphathele tiphi kulethamba embili kulethphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Given, what anato mnaketfu?
Lesibili asekanyuse emasokisi nobe emakawusi kude kwekuthi aqinisekise kwekuthi lelitiko lakhe lisita kakhulu abantu basesibhedlela kanye futhi nasemitholampilo lesifunda saseMpumalanga kanti lenye labatayithola balaleli nobe bababukele emakhaya nginayi lethi uhlangene namengameli wase
Mbukeli tiyaguqa talomuhla fola letinye kusasa enzaweni lefanako ngesikhathi lesifanako nibe nebusuku lobuhle kanti sikhona simo selidulu ngemva kwetitolo sale kahle.
Inibingelele ngiphindze nginamukele kunasi isimo selitulo babukele emakhaya sanibonani nasibona namhla kusihlo sibona ngathi ihlobo licishe veni lonke kanti ke linemafu kakhulu lapha eLgwini lapha eKZN babukele emakhaya kanti ke ilangeni lakusasa lobe sileyanyuka khona la tinkhungu letinye tenzawo kanti ke lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa kubonakala amathuba emvula langagcina sefike khona ku 60% babukele emakhaya umoya ogijima ufike khona ku 20 km ngeli ababukele emakhaya singena khona la eSoxayesu sibuye khona eSouth African Weather Service bonakala ngathi kunemoya lomkhulu la esifundeni sefle esikhulu kakhulu kanti ke nemoya lo nemandla lapha eLgwini lapha eMtshonalanga Kapa babukele emakhaya kanti ke sinto sibuka kuthumela ke live la eGauteng iJohannesburg itawucala khona lapha ku 4 inyuko ku 21 Carletonville nayo hledi ku 21 Pitoli hledi ku 22 Vereeniging hledi khona ku 20 kanti Springs hledi khona ku 19 sinyukola khona isifundeni lapha eLimpopo Musini hledi khona ku 25 Polokwane ku 5 inyuko ku 25 21 kanti Belapela hledi ku 24 kanti Phalabura hledi khona ku 26 lapha eMpumalanga liyothiwa lipholile hledi ku 26 esikhukhuza Mbombela icala khona ku 12 inyuko ku 24 Caroline ku 7 inyuko ku 20 Emerald ku 19 kanye neStandton eMkhondo hledi khona ku 21 lapha KwaZulu Natal eThekwini hledi khona ku 25 Pietermaritzburg icala khona ku 9 inyuko 26 Vryheid inyuko ku 22 emva kwaMadina eLundu icala khona ku 10 inyuko khona ku 24 eRichards Bay hledi khona ku 26 babukela emakhaya lapha eMpumalanga Kapa eMthatha hledi khona ku 28 Nqubo icala khona ku 8 inyuko khona ku 24 Meletso icala khona ku 5 inyuko ku 19 Makhanda hledi khona ku 27 kanye neEast London kanti eQonqe nakhona icala ku 12 linyuko khona ku 27 liyashisa kuleyo ndawo emakhaya lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa Cape Town hledi khona ku 16 Worcester icala ku 7 inyuko ku 19 Beckford West hledi khona ku 23 kanti eGeorge icala khona ku 13 inyuko ku 21 Riversdale aqala ku 10 inyuko khona ku 22 esifundeni sefle esikhulu kunato tonke enzaweni lapha Appleton hledi khona ku 27 Scalvina uqala ku 0 kuyabanza ekseni Sutherland -3 ekseni lishubisa umkanje liyabanza kakhulu leyo ndawo DA hledi khona ku 23 kanti ke iKimberley itanyukola ku 25 emva kwaMadina babona emakhaya zingena khona lapha fixed state eCrawford hledi khona ku 21 Welcome hledi khona ku 24 kanti Bothaville ihledi khona lapha ku 24 naye babona emakhaya zingena khona lapha eTaung uqala khona ku 7 inyuko ku 25 Tosca uqala ku 4 anyuko ku 26 kanti lapha eMahikeng uqala khona ku 7 hledi khona ku 21 lokho ngiphathele kona nisaleni kahle